Porta potty rental costs in Boston vary depending on unit type, rental duration, service frequency, and site accessibility. Standard portable toilets typically cost between $150 and $300 per month, while daily or weekend rentals range from $100 to $175. Deluxe models with hand washing stations are slightly higher, usually $175 to $400 per month. ADA-compliant units, which provide accessibility and larger interiors, fall between $200 and $450 per month. Luxury restroom trailers with multiple stalls and premium features command the highest prices, often starting around $1,000 per weekend rental and rising for longer terms. Several key factors influence pricing. Location and accessibility play a large role, as units placed in hard-to-reach areas or sites with restricted vehicle access may require additional equipment and labor, leading to higher costs. Rental duration is another major factor. Long-term contracts often include discounts, making extended rentals more cost-effective than short-term agreements. Frequency of servicing also impacts costs, with weekly maintenance included in most standard rates but additional cleanings charged at $75 to $150 per visit. Events with heavy usage or construction sites may require multiple cleanings per week, increasing the total expense. Seasonal demand affects pricing as well. Summer events, festivals, and construction booms can raise rental rates due to higher demand across Boston. Similarly, weekend or holiday rentals often carry premium charges. Waste volume and unit type are also considerations. Standard units hold 60 to 70 gallons of waste, while ADA and deluxe units may have larger capacities requiring longer pumping times and disposal fees. Beyond base rental rates, customers should also account for potential additional fees. These can include delivery and pickup charges, $25 to $100 depending on distance, emergency servicing fees, 25 to 50% higher than standard rates, vandalism or excessive cleaning fees, $50 to $150, and permit costs when placing units on public property. In Boston's downtown areas, parking restrictions or permitting requirements can further add to costs. To save money, bundling multiple units often reduces the per-unit cost, with discounts of 10 to 20% for 5 or more units. Long-term service contracts also bring savings, averaging $150 to $250 per unit monthly, and typically include routine maintenance. Choosing the right unit type for the event or project is essential. Standard units work well for small gatherings, while luxury or ADA models are better suited for upscale events and compliance needs. In summary, porta potty rentals in Boston typically cost between $150 and $450 per unit monthly, depending on type and servicing requirements. Strategic planning, bundling units, and securing long-term contracts can reduce overall costs while ensuring sanitary, compliant, and reliable restroom solutions.